Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add symbols in Google Sheets. So you're actually going to open Google Docs first for you to get those symbols, because it only works this way. So you're just going to go to insert and you are going to select special characters and basically double click the kind of symbols you want. For instance, this one, and then this one, and then this one, this one, this one, this one. And just close it, and as you can see, you will have the symbol. You can actually just click it once. Actually, you don't have to double click it. Just going to then delete the duplicates like so. Select all of it and then copy it. Go to Google Sheets and just paste it. And there you go. You would have just pasted the symbol from Google Docs to Google Sheets. There you go. That is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!